Y'all, it's your girl Naturally Keisha here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. This is gonna be about the beads that I have purchased. I'm gonna be purchasing more. I have started revamping for my business, Keisha Kustoms. So, like at first, like the last few videos y'all done seen, like it wasn't color coordinated. Like nothing was matching up, but this time it's a new year, it's new days, new light. So things are going to be much better and much more professional. I have stickers here. I got some more business cards. It's the same platform as before. There's just going to be new stuff and better organization. I have got a site up, but I'm going to be planning on doing a little bit more with it. But as the year progresses, the better I'm going to become. So we're going to go and start opening for the beads that I have got. I know like the whole concept of Amazon having these big ass packages with little bit of stuff in it, but that's not my place. Anyways, alright, so this, this are the amethyst. I don't know if y'all can see, but like it's amethyst. Like I'm gonna insert pictures. I'm gonna take pictures and insert them on this side. But this is amethyst. I want to see how it look, and it is so beautiful in purple. Victoria, if you watch this, I got you, girl. Next, I don't know I'm moving, but dang. Alright, these are the silver lion heads. I have bronze / gold already, but I just wanted to have silver too, so I can be more versatile with the stuff that I bring in and put out. Oh, this is the last package, but I have another package. Oh, I'm just getting notifications. I should have turned them off when I was recording, but whatever. And this was a special custom order. And these came from Xingmu, Create a Better Art Life. Hold up. These are fancy. Okay. And it is, hold up. Oh, they gave me some little string socket. I don't know. Ooh, and these are great quality. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so he is gonna be happy. I bought two because I like the concept that he gave me. So like his custom, and out that I'm gonna be creating more. So yeah, I got two of those. I'll be opening them later. It was like 3 other beads in there. I'll find them. They're just like miscellaneous. I don't think this applies to my business. I think this is a hair thing, but I'm gonna open it. If it is, I'm just gonna throw it on the box, on the bed, because that's for a whole different video. Yep, different video. I already opened this because I got this yesterday. I don't know what it looked because it's an iPad and the camera right there. So if I look stupid, I'm so sorry. Got some popping paper. And like I said, rebrand. So my colors are yellow and black. So the idea with these are the poly mailers. So whenever I ship, the package label will be on the front. And on the back, when I close it, I'm going to have my little small circle stickers to put on the back so I can brand my packaging. Like, it's not fancy or whatever, but it's better than what I had before, and I'm proud of the concept that I'm coming. Like, my vision is coming, so it's all that matters. It's about 25 in here. Yeah, it's 25 of them. So, just put this aside. And I have some wood beads. It's about 300 wood beads in here. This is going to go towards like making bracelets or like necklaces. It's a lot of like, there we go. This how they look. Again, I'm gonna insert pictures so y'all can see it better. I think this is called obsidian. insert pictures again so y'all can see it a little better. I got more charms to go for the bracelets. I can take this out so I can show y'all. Show all of my face, Jesus. That's how that looks. And I can't wait to start creating. Like, I haven't been on my job of creating because I was in a car crash and a lot of my merchandise was inside the car, and I lost, I'll say, about half of my stuff. So I had to repurchase like a lot of stuff. So yeah, just like if somebody wants something, like I'll make it for me, send it. But I haven't been putting myself out there. But this year, Hustle Gang gonna be on 1,000. I don't have time. It's gonna be better. This is like matte black. This is my go-to, one of my go-tos along with the blacks, because I like to have this. But 2 new colors. There'll be a lot more coming in. Or these two. I want to see how these work out. And I'll buy more. But I think this is going to be great. Definitely these. Like, I was looking for these. They're a little bit pricey, but once I see things starting to look up, that's how it's going to be. Alright, so with me saying that the rebranding, the stickers that I already have, let me put all this stuff back in here. Yeah, I need to message him so I can get some more stuff for other videos. Wow. Technical difficulties. But the stickers I got this from these, and I love them so much. Like I literally, shit here. I cried when these came in the mail. Like I really did. Like I'm about to order more, to be honest. And like they so cute and vibrant. Like I have some thank you cards that I got from Dollar Tree, and I felt like it'll be a good plan. I don't know, this shit aggravating. To put these on top of my thank you card as another way of branding, because like I don't know where I was going with that. But anyway, that is it for this video. There will be more videos to come as my business started to pick up. Like I've been getting quite a lot of orders, so hope I get even more of it this coming year. I'm in my night clothes. Don't worry about that. This is my only day off, so Saturdays is gonna be my day of filming, and then like I'll do like a few videos so I can drop like either Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or whatever, or however I do this concept. Because I know one of my friends, they be like, when you gonna do some more videos, when you gonna do some more videos, and I got you. He actually texted me, so I need to reply. So Creaky, if you're watching, this for you. Just replied. And that's about it. And it's the next video. We out.